Oh, ode to the optical drive. Crap. This phone doesn't... where is it? Yeah, there we go. As I was saying, ode to the luxurious optical drive. Alright. Hello everyone, Yoshua28K here. So, where have I been? Well, school and home, I guess, but while I'm working on a new Microsoft SAM episode, which I started in early May but never actually finished, it's still in the works. I don't know when it will be finished, but I don't really care. I decided to go ahead and install a weird operating system I discovered some time ago on this computer right here that's been running XP for practically ever. Well, what OS? Well, this one. Red Star OS 3.0, whatever the hell that is. But before we can install Red Star OS, we gotta boot Gparted Live. You'll see why. Well, let's go ahead and do that. Alright, here goes. Gotta do everything with two hands. I'm gonna hold the disk. I'm gonna hold the tray open so it doesn't eject. Alright, we got the boot menu. Just give it a moment. Alright. Gotta get the disk here. Here's the disk. Yes, it's blank. Well, there is data on it. Just the label is blank. Alright. Give you a pretty nice optical drive cam. Alright, the optical drive is ready. I'm gonna tweak my camera so I can actually point it in the right direction. Okay, it's loading. I'm gonna go ahead and lock the exposure. Alright. Oh, come on. Wait, is it doing anything? Okay, it appears to be doing something. Oh, there we go. Ignore it. Might be able to slightly pan the monitor a bit. It might appear. Oh, it just got dark for weird. There we go. I locked the yeah, I'm actually gonna use I'm gonna unlock the exposure. Whatever, it froze ACPI errors. I've seen the ACPI errors before. They mean nothing. The system still boots, so it's not really a problem. Just give it a second. You have to set the key layout, and then we'll be able to actually boot Gparted. Actually, I'm gonna cut the video here, and then I'll come back once we get to Gparted. All right, we're here. So as you can see, the partition is blank. I think I can zoom in. Can I zoom in? I don't know how to zoom in this stupid thing. Is it frozen? God, this is terrible. Did I say that out loud? Okay. So I'm gonna try and see if I can... Crap. Yep. Come on. Alright, you can see it here. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a new partition. Actually, before we do that, create a partition table. Use MS-DOS. Alright. So I'm gonna create a partition. We're gonna we'll make it swap. No, we don't need a label. Oh, it just beeped. we're not going to make it 959, like 1 terabyte. We're going to actually make it 4096. There we go. It's going to be like 4 gigs. Add. Now we're going to add a ext free partition. I call it I knew how to spell. Crap. Red Star. And then write it. This will probably take a while. Here's the status, if you want to know. I'm going to cut the video here and wait for all this to finish. There it is. Now, while our ext free partition is being formatted, I'm going to answer this question that probably no one's asked, but I will mention it anyway. Yoshi, why are you installing a weird North Korean operating system? The only answer I have is for kicks and giggles. I have no reason to be using software from that particular country. It's just the fact that it exists. It's kind of esoteric. We're almost there. Don't worry. Well, now it's done. Get out of here. Get out of here. Let's go ahead and exit. You might have also noticed that I've taken the Red Star disc out of its sleeve because it's not easy to do such a thing while holding a camera. Oh, okay, we're already at flop. So let me go ahead and slide the camera back. As you can see, we're already at the point. I'm going to shut it down, actually. I'm going to do something sneaky. When it asks me to... Okay, it's telling me to remove the live medium. I'm going to swap the disc. So I'm going to take the G-parted disc out. See? I will take the Red Star disc and put it in. And then we'll hit enter. And now, hold on while Yep, we're doing it in one shot. Booting the machine in one shot. All right, point the camera. Got it. I guess. There we go, that's better. I don't think I'd actually have to spam the escape key since it'll just boot from the disk, but actually I will have to spam escape for the next part, which is coming up. Waiting for the boot menu to come up. There we go. I will spam these continue. I will now start. Alright, we're here. So I'm going to have to type this blind, but Linux lang equals en, enter. What I just did is escape brings us into a bit of a command prompt where I can load a kernel. That command just loads the kernel and sets the language to English. If I let the system boot without hitting escape, it would start up in Korean. Oh, there's the splash. That's the splash screen right there. That's the splash screen. Anyway, the setup, if I didn't do what I just did, the setup would be in Korean. Some of the setup boxes are still in Korean because they're static, but all the buttons and the interactive stuff, it will be in English. The OS, when installed, will not be, and that's what we're going to do next. All right. So I'm going to click next. All right. Going. Scanning for a hard drive. As you can see, I already have swap space, so we're gonna click next. Oh, it's going to format it anyway. Well, whatever. All right. So there you go. Actually, instead I'll just do I won't set a password. You don't need to. Actually, I probably do, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. You can't see the keyboard, so you won't be able to get my password. It's called Yoshi PC. And here's the network setup. I'm going to use DHCP. Oh, okay, that's stupid, so no. Alright. 68.0. I don't know, 66. Yeah. Let's do 74. Subnet mask. No. Router address. DNS localhost, we'll call it Yoshi RSOS. Actually, we won't be able to. Actually, it's kind of pointless since we won't really be able to actually do much. You know what, we're just going to use DHCP because it's easier. Next. What's funny is that you can actually set a country. It's like Chicago. I believe it's 919. That's definitely not correct because it's 919 right now. All right. So I believe the next part is package installation. So there are some utilities. There's this thing that's got... This is all development stuff. We don't really need it. Got utilities. This comes with Crosswind, which is basically wine. Flash player, which is basically... It's got GIMP. Install everything, actually. Almost everything, actually. Photo booth, I don't need it. Also a bunch of development tools. That's kind of cool. I think I'll only include LAMP, though. And probably editors. Yeah, I think I'm just going to install LAMP in the editors. And I think we're ready to go. And now it's installing. This is probably going to take a while. I'm going to cut the video here and get to the point when it finishes. It's probably going to take a while, though. Oh crap, it's about to reboot. I better take the disk out. While I'm at it, I'm gonna unplug the Ethernet so we don't get nuked. Alright, we're booting up. Alright, yep, more ACPI errors, ignore them. Alright, we're at the boot up screen. Yay. Just gotta wait for it to start up. I'm gonna turn down the volume too. Alright, we're at the Whoa, okay. Let me wait. All right, we're at the login screen. Let me wait for open camera to not be stupid. Hello? Whatever. And here we are. We're in Red Star OS now. Whoa, what's going on? Apparently Apache's running alright. Alright, we're in. Now, there's one thing we need to do. Oh, that's annoying. Terminal. So we now have a terminal. So, type root setting to actually enable the root user. Hey, it made noise. Awesome. Enable the root user. Crap. Probably made a typo. Okay, it doesn't like it. There we go. We're done. So what I just did is I enabled the root user, so I'm going to kill it. All right. All right, we're now root, so I need to do something. Uh-oh. I can't remember what you're supposed to do. Hold on. All right, so hold on. -is/KOKP. Hold on. No, you need to pause. Crap, it's locked up. Oh, come on. All right, I'm back. So let's see. S/KO_KP ENUSG. So there are two files. Let me go look. etc sys config i18n and user share config kde globals. Let me check over that. I think I got it. No, the others, no, fine. No, I just need to reboot. All right, we are rebooting, and it seems to be going well. Actually, adjust my exposure. Well, that didn't help. But as you can see, everything's now in English. Now, the next step is to open all the internationalization stuff. Yeah, it's got internationalization. Isn't that weird? I'm gonna change the format. Oh, it's already set. Nice. Alright, so now we have that set. The next step is to... Now, I don't have the internet set up, but I will go ahead and do this. Also, the cursor tends to flicker. Alright, we're in. So it's RM, TC... Wait. Shoot. I don't... Actually, no. User no. Hold on while I go pull... Alright. And we're going to do service IP tables restart. Alright, so what I just did is I removed the IP tables rules that basically prevent you from connecting to the internet. And I'm actually going to plug the Ethernet cable back in. Alright, it's plugged in. Go into System Preferences and make sure we have a network connection. It says it's inactive. It's got the friggin' lock. How do you enable it? Make service active. I'm actually going to do it manually. 92.168.0.77. Subnet mask. Because I know how to use that. Or if it accepts multiple. Does it accept multiple DNS servers? If it does, then cool. If not, then I have no clue. Apparently we're connected, so let's see if we can ping something. Try an IP for typo. Alright, that works. I found that pinging domains. Okay, we've got a connection. Good. It's a bit slower, but that's probably because I'm using a old Linksys router as my access device. So now that we have an internet connection, let's get on the internet. This is a bit weird, so strap yourselves in. I believe that's setting as a default browser. That's not going to work because it's going into the North Korean intranet. But I can open a tab and crap, I don't even know. So I'm going to first of all set this to of course this browser's old, so it's going to be old. It's the third one down. Yeah, whatever. It won't work. Disable that, and then restart the browser. Alright. I don't think... Alright, it's now in English. Awesome. It's awesome possum. I believe in a few moments we should be able to get on Google. Alright. Awesome. Let's look up the OS itself. Can we access Wikipedia? Nope. Actually, I'm not surprised, since this doesn't really have any really good HTTPS support. I'd have to update the certificates to do that. Anyway, I'm gonna real quick unplug the Ethernet, just for security's sake. I'm actually going to also try and disable the spyware that's in it. Someone actually made a script to do that, so I'm gonna show it so no one when it calls me out. So tell you so that I'm not sure that I'm not faking it. It's plugged in. Actually, I'm going to have to open it in a terminal. 1 second. Alright, so you need to go to SU-. Got it. So, I'm not sure where it is, so... No, it's not in there. I don't know where it is, actually. It's probably... SDF. So there's only one thing, it's a shell script that says, you probably can't see that, but it says it's diffused.sh. And run it. At this point, that should have disabled all the spyware, or at least the spyware we know about. So it's going to reboot again, and well, you get the idea. All right, here we go. If I hit escape, nope. Ooh, okay, that's actually kind of cool. You can actually see everything running. Awesome. Awesome possum. All right, so I'm going to actually... sign in yet again. Oh, you can't even see the menu bar. Sorry. Alright, so now I've disabled all the crappy spyware and everything. So, yeah, it's pretty much... now most of the stuff that makes this crappy is gone. I found... there's a copy of GIMP, but... actually, I don't think I'll go through everything on the system, because there are other videos around that do that. Instead, I'm just gonna, finish off with a picture in GIMP. Alright, so I have to elevate to root yet again. Crap, I just entered the wrong password. Alright, so I need to go to Applications. Actually, I'm going to create a directory in the root home folder. Call it GIMP KO. I'm going to CD contents. Now, there is a... actually, that's strange. It's got a directory listing, so... So even though it is forcibly configured, I can actually move to... At that point, I should be able to open up GIMP, and it should be in English. And as you can see, it is in English. Awesome. So feel free to experiment. So I'm going to make a new file. And we'll do 800 by 600. Whoa, what is going on? Okay, that was really strange. Anyway, let's turn on a brush. I'm gonna... some blue. Whoa, that's friggin' laggy as hell. Okay, that's laggy as hell. Alright. Increase the size to 4. So I'm going to just make a really big brush because I suck at drawing. You know what, actually, let's... So we're just going to... Yeah, let's do something real stupid. Let's make some propaganda or some... Let's prop some ganders. Something's broken. Also, I just screwed up. So I'm gonna make an attempt to draw the North Korean flag. Don't bet your money on that I'm going to do it correctly. I suck at drawing. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to... Okay, then I've probably committed 43 million atrocities and that, like 8 So I'm gonna just try. Okay, we're kind of... Okay, that kind of sucks, actually. No, I don't want to do that. Shrink the brush a bit and... No, that's not how you do it. Then take the bucket fill. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Well, that sucks. Thankfully, I can use the brush to fill it in. I could set the heart. So let's... Alright. Oh, okay. Okay. Change that to point. It's like 22 point. 72 point. Change the color to black. All right, done. All right, our art is done. I'm going to save it into the Documents folder. I'm going to save it as dprk.xcf. You know what? Hell, let's export it. Wait, this is probably before the export feature was a thing. Can I save it as a PNG? Can I do that? Am I allowed to do that? I have a pictures folder. Your image should be exported before it can be... Can't handle layers. Export. All right, we got our picture. So now I can go into K-Finder and to end everything, take my DPR, set it as a background. And there we go. Very fitting. And with all that said, thanks for watching. Bye.